Hi, my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Christmas trees that I made last year and this year. The Christmas tree that I made last year, I used green and patterned green. This is the Christmas tree that I made this year. I used red, green, plain red, and checked red and white. It's so beautiful. This year I didn't put any ornaments on my Christmas tree, but if you like, you can put a ribbon here, or you can put a star, or you can put some beads here. It will look so nice. But last year I put a star on top of my Christmas tree. Last year I didn't make it fuller because I didn't add another piece of fabric as I did this year. It's much fuller, but this one is bigger in height as compared to this year. This one is shorter. You can make whatever you want. If you are interested in making these, I'm going to put the links of how to make these Christmas trees in the link below. I also made this more colorful than this one. If you want more colors, you can also change. You can put white, you can put another color of your choice, and it will be more colorful. You can also make this in just one color, for example, just red only, white only, or green only. They also come out beautiful. You can use this as a decoration in your house, or as a door stopper. Or you can gift someone with this. Links on how to make this are in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Mite kurete arigato. Bye. To make this are in the description link.